I've been wrong quite a few times. Actually, quite a few times. And being wrong for me has been one of the most invaluable lessons I've ever had. Mainly because it was a chance for me to learn that I can actually say that I was wrong, and it's okay. One of the biggest problems with our leaders nowadays, whatever leader's position or caliber they may be in, is being wrong and being unable to admit that you're wrong. That decreases your trustworthiness. Nobody buys into anything you're saying. It makes you less likable, less vulnerable, less real, less human. Today, let's learn to be wrong and admit it. Let's learn to be able to learn from our mistakes, from our choices, from the things we do. Let's be able to be wrong and be fine with it. After all, we're human. That's part of being human. Being wrong and learning from